Fayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Plaqueville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mineral Point, Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Blanchardville, New Diggings, Lamont, Rui, Gratiot, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, Platte Mounds, Lead Mine, and Leslie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.